drowning in a sea of scheduling conflicts and juggling Zoom links. Well, kiss that chaos goodbye, because today, we're unlocking the power of seamlessly connecting Calendly and Zoom. This integration will automatically generate unique Zoom meeting links for every Calendly event, saving you time and ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. Let's dive in. First, log into your Calendly account. Then, in the top right corner, click on Integrations. This is where we'll find Zoom. Scroll through the list of available integrations until you find Zoom. It's typically listed alphabetically. Found it? Great. Click the Connect button. This will start the authorization process. A Zoom authorization window will pop up here. You'll be prompted to sign into your Zoom account. Make sure it's the account you want to use with Calendly. After signing in, carefully review the permissions Calendly is requesting. Then, click Authorize to grant Calendly access to your Zoom account. You'll be redirected back to Calendly, and you should now see that your Zoom integration is connected. Congratulations. Now, let's configure your event types. Go to your Calendly dashboard and edit the event where you want to use Zoom. Scroll down to the location field. From the drop-down menu, select Zoom Video Conference. Calendly will now automatically generate a unique Zoom link whenever someone books this event with you. You can also customize the settings, such as time zones, and explore advanced options within Calendly, and that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly and Zoom. Start scheduling with ease and enjoy a more streamlined workflow.